Hello kids, today we are going to learn input and output devices of computer. All those devices which can put data, images, sound, video etc. into a computer are called input devices. Do you want to learn the names of input devices? Keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, microphone, web camera, computer output devices. Output devices show us what the computer is doing or has done. We get output in the form of data, images, sound, video etc. Do you want to learn the names of output devices? Speaker, projector, monitor, headphone, printer. Thanks for watching.